Hi there, welcome back to my channel. I hope you are doing good. So today we are going to see artifacts in Jenkins. So what are they, why they matter, and how to use them, we will see in this video. So let's get started. So artifacts are like file generated during your Jenkins build. So it can be your compiled code, it can be logs also, or any test results. So or any like packaged file if you have done. So Jenkins can store these so you can download or use them in later like steps. So one basic pipeline I have created. So agent will be any stages. You can see here one build, and with that one sh I'm running, that is one result.txt it's creating, and after that this is function, that is archive artifacts, that will be Jenkins function only that you can use to create artifacts. So using this function result.txt will be stored as artifact. So let's start one build. So here you can see one build it ran, and if I will see console output, so here you can see pipeline archiving artifact and recording fingerprints, and it's a success. So if you will see fingerprints, result.txt file is there. So here you can see this file is used in which all jobs. So now let's go to changes or status. So here also you can see result.txt file open. You can see build output that I have stored in this file. So here complete path you will get. You can download this and use also like for later purposes. So this will be there. This file will be at the same location. So let me show you in the Jenkins server also. So I am in now fourth job, and if I'll do ls-ltr, so here you can see builds all these things. So now cd builds, inside that if you will go first job you need to go, and inside first job you can see archive is there. So go inside this now cd archive. So that's the path of your artifacts. Basically every build will be having their artifacts, so but that's the path for this job artifact. So same thing you can achieve also from Jenkins file. So I have this pipeline already used in previous video. So in this I'm just adding my archive artifacts code. So that will be stored in output. So now let's go and give one build now. So sixth build started. So here if you will see console output. So here also you can see archiving artifacts, and it's a success. So now let's go to workspace and click on this link fourth job. So here you can see one output directory, it's there. So inside output if you will go build info and hello.txt, it's created, and if you will see here inside output we have stored our artifact. You can download in zip also from here if you want. So now let's go to changes or status also. So here you can open this file build info and hello.txt. So let me open both. So hello.txt, you can see hello from Jenkins, and build info hold build a number. So these are some Jenkins artifact options that you can use. So fingerprint is also there that you can pass, and if you want artifacts only if your build is successful, then also you can pass, that is I think boolean only. So try these options and get hands-on experience of artifacts. So that's all this video. I hope you like this video. So if you have any doubt, then comment down in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel.